Hello and welcome to this video on how to use the DisplayPort 1.4 feature of Analog Way's Aquilon range to get video sources wider than 8K into your production switcher. I'm using the simulator here to replicate what I have achieved in real world from a Mac Mini M4 base model. Inputs 9 through 12 on this switcher are DisplayPort. First, let's create a custom format for this connector. Let's start with a CVT of 12,288 by 1400 at 60 Hz, and store it into memory 1. Note this is a capacity for format. Once we have the format, let's return to the Preconfig Inputs menu and apply this new format to the connector. Again, note this is a capacity for format, as we can see here. Once applied, the subsequent connector is preempted. We also need to add a custom EDID for this format. Navigate to the EDID bank, then we'll need to jump to the Analog Way EDID editor. Click New, then select DisplayPort in the type. Select Custom, then enter our format as before, 12,288 by 1400 at 60 Hz. Let's leave reduced blanking on. Let's leave this as 10-bit RGB for now. But this is where you might wish to use a different pixel encoding to suit your application, for instance if using a HDR workflow. Here, let's adjust our embedded audio option such that only broadcast standard 24-bit stereo audio at 48K is preferred. Let's save that EDID and jump back into the web RCS. We can now load that EDID into our EDID bank. Then we can drag and drop to apply this EDID to our connector. Once applied, we can verify using the Inputs Details page and looking at the EDID that's applied. That's it from the Aquilon side. Now you just have to select the format in the display options from the source device. Happy switching!